Imagine this. You're chilling on a beach, sipping a cold drink, and while you're doing absolutely nothing productive, money is rolling into your account. Sounds amazing, right? That's the magic of dividends, a passive income stream that can turn your portfolio into a money-making machine. But here's the thing. Not all dividend strategies are created equal. Today, I'm breaking down the best dividend earning strategy to help you maximize your returns, avoid common traps, and make your money work harder than ever. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for the last tip. It's a total game changer. Let's jump right in. The first step to a killer dividend strategy is focusing on quality over quantity. I know it's tempting to chase those sky-high yields, but let me tell you, those 10% plus dividend stocks can be as risky as trying to use your ex's Netflix account. Instead, look for companies with a solid history of paying and growing their dividends like Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, or Johnson & Johnson. These are your dividend darlings, steady, reliable, and unlikely to ghost you in a market downturn. Next, you need to diversify your dividend portfolio. Don't put all your eggs or dividends in one basket. Spread your investments across sectors like utilities, healthcare, and consumer goods. Why? Because when one sector struggles, others might thrive, keeping your income steady. Think of it as a financial buffet. You don't just load your plate with dessert, no matter how tempting. You need a balanced meal to stay strong. Now here's where things get fun. Reinvest your dividends. This is the secret sauce that turns small returns into massive gains over time. Most brokerages let you set up a DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan, to automatically reinvest your payouts back into more shares. It's like planting a money tree and letting it grow. Sure, it's not as exciting as spending your dividends on a new gadget, but your future self will thank you when your portfolio looks like it's been hitting the gym. Speaking of growth, don't forget to look for dividend growth stocks. These are companies that not only pay dividends but also increase them consistently. Think Apple or Microsoft. A 3% yield today might not seem like much, but if the company increases its payout by 10% every year, that yield on cost can grow significantly over time. It's the ultimate get richer slowly strategy. And here's a pro move. Add some ETFs to your dividend game. Funds like SCHD or VYM give you instant diversification and a steady stream of dividends without you having to pick individual stocks. It's perfect if you want to keep things simple while still raking in those sweet, sweet payouts. Plus, ETFs are like the group project of investing. Someone else does the work, and you still get the credit and cash. Finally, remember that patience is key. Dividend investing is a long-term strategy, not a get-rich-quick scheme. The real magic happens over time as your dividends grow and compound. So, if you're checking your portfolio daily and panicking over every dip, take a deep breath and maybe close that app for a while. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. If this strategy sounds like something you want to try, let me know in the comments which part excites you the most. And don't stop here. Subscribe so you never miss out on tips to make your money grow faster than your streaming subscription. See you in the next one. See